Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Angie, and if this is your first time visiting us, welcome to my returning subscribers. Hey girl, hey. And we're going to be doing a video on what's in my car essentials bag. I put together a small bag just to have in the car. It's not really complete with a lot of things that I want to actually have in the bag, so it may be upgraded, but this is the little bag that I got, packed full of stuff. Just something small to keep in the car for right now. So without further ado, get right into it. I added this little purse charm here that I made onto it. Y'all know I got this for $1 at the yard sale when I was on vacation. This is an overview of the bag. And in here I have some Athlete's Foot cream. I have hand sanitizer. I have a little pouch here that has makeup brushes and stuff with it, with the little mirror. This was my mom's. I have hand sanitizer wipes. I have flushable wipes. I have tissues, Minnie Mouse tissues. I have a lotion, Skin So Soft lotion, and it's in comforting shea, like a shea butter. I have a Benadryl itch stick relief. I have different band-aids in here, different sizes and stuff of band-aids in here. Toothpaste in here. I have some nasal decongestant tablets. I have Tylenol and safety pins in here. I have a thermometer in here. A hairbrush with a little mirror in here. Toenail clippers. And another Band-Aid and alcohol wipes. And that completes the bag. Everything's out. And if you would just like, share, and comment on the video, tell me what you think. What's in your car essentials bag? Or do you have a car essentials bag? Tell me down in the chat. Thanks for watching. Bye.